Hi guys and girls, my name is Leo. This video is about my recently purchased a Rode VideoMic NTG. I would say this mic is very good build overall. From the mic itself to the little cable, you can tell the quality is very good. Talk about what's inside the box. It comes with the mic itself. This mic is built-in battery. It doesn't state the capacity, but it says it can use more than 30 hours. There are two ports on the mic, one traditional 3.5mm headphone jack and one USB Type-C port, which used for charging the mic and connect to the computer. It also comes with a foam windshield, one anti-vibration camera mount, a 1 feet 3.5 to 3.5 cable, one 3.3 feet Type-C to Type-A cable, and last come with the IKEA style user manual, which only have picture. Then we talk about what doesn't come with. There's no power plug. You can charge the mic by plugging into your computer, no desk stand or tripod. If you use it for desktop mic or computer mic, you might need to purchase a tripod separately. Last, price and shipping. I bought this from Newegg. The seller is Adorama. The price is $249 plus tax. I ordered it on April 29th, they shipped it on 30th, and I got it at the very next day. I hope this video can give you a little more information before you buy this product. Thank you. Bye.